Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab Arjay. This is Gauri Shankar again, and Akira Kurosawa's episode, volume 10th. And we are going to talk about further. I think Akira Kurosawa's volume will go 15, almost 12 to 15, because there's a lot of things to talk about. Adab Arjay, Sat Sri Akal, Namaskar, Vadakkam. This I will talk about how he started with where he stays, how he struggled in his life. So there was one senior chief assistant director. His name was Taniguchi. Taniguchi and Akira Kurosawa got a good ties, good combination, good combo with each other, and he always support him. There was one time he got into his house without permission in Taguchi house. Taguchi said to him, "What are you going to do if I say no?" Because he was homeless, so he was not having a home. So he entered his house without his permission. And Taniguchi said to him, "What are you doing? What you are going to do if I said no to not to stay in my home?" He said, "Please let me stay." Akira Kurosawa begged him, "Please let me stay. I can't get to sleep without futon. Without futon, I can't sleep. Futon in Japan, you put the futon on a tatami and sleep on it. Like, chatai in India, you can say. The kind of tatami, on tatami, tatami means the floor. It is on the floor. And they put it there and sleep. My mother had made a special longer futon because I was so tall. My mother made one, Akira's mother made one longer because Akira was very tall. In Japan, very people are not tall enough. Mostly people are very small. So I was thought it had sleep better than longer futon. Neither of us ever took showers or changed our clothes. We never change our clothes, neither do shower because we don't have any clothes. So when we walked through the studio, actresses would change their direction because we were stinky. When we walk in the studio as a AD, so actresses when they saw us, they are moving besides us, so they always stay away from there. They change their directions because we are so stinky. Toho gave us a meal ticket. Toho is a man who gave us a meal ticket. That time there was a meal ticket. If you want to eat food, you get the meal ticket, coupons kind of, in the studio. But that was not enough. That meal ticket was not enough for us. While we were waiting in the front of the studio commissionery, an old actress with whom we were acquainted said, "Go to my house and talk to my maid. There would be something to eat in a cupboard." So we are so hungry, we always never fulfill our food, our stomach. So that old actress said to go to my house and told maid, she will give you some food they kept in a cupboard. So Kurosawa ran her house, and until we were stuffed, we spent many years together at the bottom. Kurosawa other close friend was Yamatamo's second assistant Ishiro Honda. 1901-93, he was born in 1911 and died in 93. A man who, like Kurosawa and Taniguchi, toured over most of his contemporaries. All three stood nearly 6 feet tall and were nobody handsome and distinguished looking, but where Taniguchi was carefree and short-tempered. I entered PCL before Kurosawa did, but I was drafted and had to go to war, Honda said. The university, he was born in Yamagata Prefecture and at the age of 20 entered in the department of Nihon University. He joined PCL production department 2 years later, and same year Taniguchi joined the company. This is about the Honda. Ishiro Honda, who joined Yamamoto second assistant, and started working together. Though both are started working together, Taniguchi, this guy, and Akira Kurosawa. And our first film together, Mr. Senkichi Taniguchi was a chief assistant director. I was the next AD, Kurosawa-kun was the next, and then Shin Inao-kun, who was since passed away. I was exhausted after work. Many of the actors we worked with the first film together were from the Kabuki. The shooting did not begin until after their 90 stage performances. The daytime and nighttime we spent during the production was free flopped. They called one another by nickname after the kanji character in their family name, Kuro-chan, Sen-chan, ironic given by department the Indo-chan. Kurosawa especially admired Honda dedication and also preferred to his friend as the keeper of the game. Then he was an assistant director, but Universal Design were overwhelmed with the work. He lent a hand. He would always take care of pen, following the gain of the wood on the false pillars when it's good time. To put in the gain texture where it was lacking, hence his nickname. If the motive is drying in the grain was to make Yama-san's work look just that much better. Mr. Yamatamo was a free-spirited person Honda called. Rare at the time, for instance, he never sent his assistant director out to fetch cigarettes. He did not ask anybody to do anything.